This is Craig Howgard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Corn was off to a stronger start yesterday until the weekly ethanol production report came out. It showed that production had plummeted by 168,000 barrels per day, while at the same time stocks had increased to a new record level. Year-to-date, production is down by 1.1%, while stocks have increased by 16%. The USDA's April supply and demand report will be coming out at high noon Eastern Time today, and the trade is expecting that we're going to see a projected 2.01 billion bushels for a carryout. That'd be an increase of 118 million bushels from last month's report. As I record this, the overnight spot corn futures are trading a penny higher. Soybean market was fairly quiet yesterday. China announced that they're going to release 500,000 metric tons from their soybean reserves to meet the demand that's not being met because of delayed shipments coming out of Brazil. Brazil's currency gained against the U.S. dollar yesterday, which helps our cause, but U.S. beans still lay into China anywhere from $10 to $13 per metric ton higher than what Brazilian beans can be delivered there at. In today's trade, traders are looking for the USDA to give us an ending stocks projection of 446 million bushels. That'd be up 21 million from last month. Well, they're looking for world stocks to tighten slightly by 900,000 metric tons to 101.5 million. In the overnight trade, spot soybean futures are trading 3 cents higher. Wheat traders are watching exports and starting to get a little bit excited about the potential for business. With the Russian ruble gaining against the U.S. dollar, Russian wheat and U.S. hard red winter wheat are now at parity. Today's report is expected to show things basically unchanged. Traders are looking for domestic stocks to come in at 947 million, which would be up 7 million bushels from last month, while world stocks are projected to be at 287 million metric tons, which would be down 100,000 metric tons from last month's report. In the overnight trade, we have Chicago 2 cents higher, Kansas City is up 3 cents, while Minneapolis is trading down 2. Cotton futures had a pretty good day yesterday, with the May futures settling up 94 points to close at 53.84. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures trading an additional 23 points higher. Livestock futures had a split session. June live cattle futures closed $1.87.5 higher, while May feeder cattle futures were on a tear, closing $5.57.5 higher for the session. Lean hog futures, on the other hand, lost some ground, with the June futures closing $1.20 lower. Class 3 milk futures, unfortunately, were back to their old ways and trending lower, with the May futures down 75 points to settle at 11.83. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures at an additional 39 points lower. Cash livestock markets were all lower yesterday. Choice beef boxes were $5.54 lower as they closed at $222.34, while selects were down $5.98 to close at $211.77. Pork carcass values dropped by $3.32 as they closed at $51.41 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Howgard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.